Bose QuietComfort Headphones provide the perfect balance of quiet, comfort, and sound. In this video, we'll give you an overview of some of the controls and features. Let's start with a quick overview of everything located on your headphones. The left ear cup has a 2.5mm audio port and an action button. The right ear cup has a USB-C port, a Bluetooth power switch, volume controls, and a multifunction button. Slide the Bluetooth power switch to the right to power the headphones on. Slide the switch to the left to power them off. To put the headphones into pairing mode, slide and hold the switch for 3 seconds until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can store up to 8 devices in the headphones device list. And with the multi-point connection feature enabled, you can be actively connected to 2 devices at the same time. To adjust the volume, press or hold the volume up or volume down buttons. The multifunction button controls audio playback and call functions. A single press will pause or play your audio. Double press to skip forward, and triple press to skip backward. To answer or end a call, press the multifunction button once. To decline an incoming call, press and hold the button for 1 second. Finally, you can press and hold the multifunction button to summon your mobile device's voice assistant. Next, a single press of the action button will change your noise canceling mode. By default, there are 2 modes, quiet and aware. Quiet mode allows you to block out distractions using the highest level of noise cancellation. Aware mode provides full transparency and allows you to hear your surroundings while enjoying your audio. In addition to these modes, you can create 2 custom modes within the Bose Music app. From the main screen, tap Modes and then tap the plus button. Select a name for your mode based on how you plan to use it. Now select your preferred noise cancellation level. You can also choose to enable the wind block setting, which reduces noise in windy situations like walking outside. Please note, turning on wind block automatically adjusts noise cancellation. Tap Done to save your mode. Now you can quickly switch to any of your audio preferences by tapping one of the modes, or by using the action button. Finally, if you press and hold the action button, you will activate a shortcut. You can change or disable your shortcut within the Bose Music app. From the main screen, tap Shortcut, and then select one of the following functions. You can choose to hear the battery level or start a Spotify listening session. That's been an overview of some of the controls on your QuietComfort headphones. For additional support, visit our website.